Alright team, we need to discuss our daily operations. We've been working 24/7 and I think we deserve some credit.
Yeah, especially me. I have to do this with only 2 lobes while Righty over there has 3. Talk about unfair distribution of labor. Hey, not my fault I was built this way. Efficiency is key, bro.
Well, at least you longs actually get some recognition. People just breathe without realizing I do the first step filtering the air.
Alright. We all have our jobs. Let's not forget our purpose. Keeping this human alive.
You all have it easy. I'm the one who has to contact and relax every second to facilitate breathing. I need a vacation.
Alright. We all have our challenges, but let's not forget, we're all in this together.
All right, everyone ready? A deep one this time.
Here we go again.
Breathing!
Breathing. It is something that we do every seconds of our lives. But have you ever wondered how our body makes this possible? Let's dive into the fascinating world of the respiratory system. The respiratory system allows us to take in oxygen and carbon dioxide, keeping our body alive and functioning. It consists of several key structures, each with a specific function. Imagine taking a deep breath. That simple acts of set of an incredible journey inside your body. And it all begins with the nose.
That's me, the entrance to fresh, clean air. But I'm not just any entrance. I have tiny hairs that catch dust and dirt.
That's right. Your nose isn't just for smelling. It is the first line of defense. The air then passes through the nasal cavity.
Welcome, where the air gets filtered, warmed and moistened, ensuring it's just right for your lungs.
Next up is the pharynx. This place is the hallway where both food and air travels.
Yep, it's me, but no time to chat. Food goes one way, air goes another.
Oh, the air has special behaving pass to the larynx.
What's up? I'm the voice box. Every word, every laugh, thank me later.
Larynx. Now, let's keep moving down to the windpipe called the trachea.
Hop on, folks. I'm Trachea, your airway highway. Buckle up because we're heading down to the lungs.
But wait, there's a fork on the road. The trachea splits into 2 tubes, the bronchi.
Hey there, I take air to the right lung. And I take it to the left.
Now let's go inside the lungs. Let's take a journey inside and see how they work the magic.
Hey there, we're the lungs. We're responsible for bringing oxygen into the body and removing carbon dioxide.
That's right.
Hey there,
But did
we're
you
the
know
lungs.
that left lung is smaller than the right?
To kind of make room for the heart.
And it starts with the bronchi, which branch into smaller tube called bronchioles.
We're the bronchioles. We're like the twigs of a tree, branching out to reach all parts of the lungs.
And at the very end of these tiny branches are the alveoli, millions of tiny air sacs where the magic happens.
That's us. We're the alveoli. Oxygen jumps into the bloodstream here, while carbon dioxide is sent out to be exhaled.
Don't forget the diaphragm, the powerful muscles that act as your body breathing engine.
Hey, I'm the diaphragm. I expand and contract to help pull air in and push it out.
All of this happens in just a seconds, every single time you breathe. It's not amazing how your body keeps growing without you even thinking about it?
Yeah, we're pretty amazing. And we're working hard every second to keep you alive and breathing.
And just like that, the air begins its incredible journey through the respiratory system. But why is this journey so important? What exactly does the respiratory system do for us? Beyond just moving air in and out, the respiratory system performs 5 essential functions that keep us alive and thriving. Let's take a closer look at each one. First, the respiratory system acts as an air distributor, transporting air from the nose and mouth to the lungs. Second, the respiratory system is a gas exchanger. In the lungs, oxygen from the inhaled air diffuses into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide, a waste product, diffuses out the bloodstream and into the exhaled air. Third, the respiratory system filters, warms, and humidifies the air we breathe. Fourth, the respiratory system influences speech. The movement of air through the vocal cords produces sound waves that enable us to speak and communicate. Fifth, the respiratory system allows for our sense of smell. Olfactory receptors in the nasal cavity detect odor molecules in the air. Our respiratory system works tirelessly, distributing air, exchanging gases, filtering impurities, influencing our speech, and even allowing us to enjoy the sense of the world around us. But what happens when the system is compromised?
Unfortunately, millions of people suffer from respiratory diseases that disrupt this vital system. The air we breathe isn't always clean, and our habits and surroundings can expose us to serious health risks. From chronic conditions like asthma and COPD to life-threatening diseases such as lung cancer and tuberculosis, our respiratory system faces constant challenges. Let's take a closer look at the most common respiratory health issues, their causes, symptoms, and how we can protect ourselves. First health issue is asthma. Did you know that asthma is more common in female adults than male adults? Around 11.0% of female adults have asthma, compared to 6.8% of male adults. Asthma is a chronic respiratory disorder caused by inflammation and narrowing of the bronchial tubes. It is one of the most common long-term diseases in children. Asthma is triggered by airborne substances, allergies, smoking, weather, common bacteria, and viruses. The symptoms are shortness of breath, wheezing, sleep problems, chest pain, frequent coughing, and feeling tired. Additionally, did you know that chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or COPD and chronic bronchitis is the fourth leading cause of death worldwide, causing 3.5 million deaths in 2021, approximately 5% of all global deaths? Well, chronic bronchitis is an inflammation of the mucous membrane that lines the bronchial tubes. In this side, this is the healthy airway. And in this side, this is the inflamed airway. The causes of chronic bronchitis are smoking, dust, smoke from burning coal, and air pollution. And the symptoms are coughing with sputum, difficulty of breathing, wheezing, chest tightness, and shortness of breath. Moving forward to emphysema, about 15% of smokers are diagnosed with emphysema, typically in their 40s or 50s. A rare inherited condition deficiency can predispose people, especially if they smoke, to developing early onset emphysema. Emphysema is another form of COPD that causes damage to the air sacs or alveoli in the lungs. Causes are smoking, dust, air pollution, and chemical fumes. And the symptoms are coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath. Now, let us proceed to tuberculosis or TB. About 1/4 of the world's population is infected with tuberculosis bacteria or TB, which is a disease caused by bacteria called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The bacteria can spread from one person to another person through tiny droplets released into the air via coughs or sneezes. The cause of these are Mycobacterium tuberculosis, while the symptoms are coughing for more than 3 weeks, coughing of blood, weight loss, chills and fever, and chest pain. Lastly, pneumonia. Medical experts have found over 30 different causes of pneumonia, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, and germs that are neither bacterial or viral. A person can get pneumonia even by breathing in something foreign like food, dust, smoke, liquid, or gas. And all this says that we can get pneumonia by getting exposed to cold weather. But no, pneumonia is an infection in one or both lungs, which causes inflammation of the air sacs. Causes are fungi, bacteria, and viruses. Symptoms are chest pain, coughing with phlegm, fatigue, shortness of breath, and vomiting.
See, we works hard every second giving you the oxygen you need to live. So we need to be care.
Smoking damages your lungs and makes it harder to breathe.
Avoiding smoking is one of the best things you can do for your respiratory health.
Did you know that what you eat affects your lungs too?
Eating foods rich in vitamins and antioxidants, like fruits and vegetables, keeps your lungs strong and healthy.
Exercise improves lung capacity and strengthens the muscles that help you breathe.
So, get moving.
Carrying excess weight puts pressure on your lungs, making it harder to breathe.
Maintaining a healthy weight supports easier breathing and overall well-being.
A healthy respiratory system means a healthier, happier life.
Take care of us and we will take care of you.